after former Pangasinan Governor Teofilo Sison. This building is where Zarzuelas and other cultural shows were staged. A place where culture and diversity intertwined to create hues of masterpiece that echoes in every corner of the room, ang Sison Auditorium. Upon entering, you will be swept away by the exterior of the edifice, base, and pillars that holds it.
Ang Sison Auditorium ay naitayo bago sumiklab ang World War II, from 1926 to 1927. Isa rin ito sa halimbawa ng American architecture that is reflected sa mga arc, columns, exterior and interior of the building. It was said to be constructed as part of the Pangasinan Academic High School and was also known as the Grand Provincial Auditorium.
A destructive flood in 1935 completely destroyed the east building of the Pangasinan Academic High School, now known as the Pangasinan National High School, and the Sison Auditorium served as a school where classes were held in the pending construction of a new building, the South Gabaldon Building. It was restored in 2008 to 2010 to help the locals learn and appreciate the history of the land by reviving their culture and arts. At the present, the Sison Auditorium serves as a cultural center of Pangasinan where various events are held.
The sounds from Zarzuelas and theatrical plays that once were heard are continuously echoing throughout the structure, a symbol of hope and a proof of rich and diverse culture of Pangasinan.